Okay, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be about some stuff I got from Amazon, so let's get into it. Alright, first thing is, sorry about that, I needed for my grinder, or bench grinder, but I think I'm going to put it in that one up there, the way up there, the one on the left up there, the red one. But anyway, I needed a wire wheel for it, so because my other one finally wore out and it kept shooting little wires off of it and sticking into me, so figured I'd get another one. This one's a pretty thick one. I like that. Made by DeWalt. So we'll see how this one goes. I'm also going to get another one that's a brass one, but I'm trying to find a real brass one, not a brass coated one. I might have to settle for the brass coated if I can't find one, without paying an arm and a leg for it anyway, that is. Alright, next up we have something that I've had for, I don't know, the last 2 or 3 videos, but I keep forgetting to show you. It's just something simple. Just pencils to mark on metal with. I've used this brand before, and you know, also used markers, black markers, but Sharpies. But these work pretty good too. You can see this a little bit better, especially like it's showing there on dirty metal. But anyway, been wanting to show you them. I've had them for a while. I just keep forgetting. All right, next up, from ABN, stud installers. I need to get these out of the package, don't I? Let me do that real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, now I was going to get some of these from Lyle, but I seen these and I decided to go with these. I like the Lyle ones better, I think, but we'll see how these hold up. As you can see, they're in a bearing. I guess I can get close enough to see that. You see the silver's not turning, but the black is. Anyway, I'm sure people's already aware of what these things are, what they're for, and all that. These are cool. We'll see how they hold up, and I'll let you know. They're not magnet, but you know, there is a bearing in there, so that's cool. Okay, last up is something that I'm not really too happy with, and that's these. They're really, really stiff, which that might work out of it once you use them. So I'll give it that, I guess. But I mean, if you look at it, they just feel extremely, extremely cheap. And like I said in one of them other videos, that's what you get when you order stuff from Amazon and you can't actually pick it up and hold it before you buy it. Like these handles on these things. Let me see if I can figure out a way to get this off without having to turn the camera off. Yeah. Okay, you see how easy that just slid right off? All I did was hook it on there so it would hold it, so I didn't have to put the camera down. But these handles are, I mean, they I don't know, it's hard to explain. They kind of feel like a gummy that you eat. They're soft, but they're kind of hard, if that even makes any sense. But they're cheap. And as you see, they won't stay on the dang tool, so I don't know. This is something that I would not recommend. I don't think. I mean, like I said, the stiffness part will probably work out of it once you use it some, just like a lot of pliers do, but I don't know. I ain't happy with this one. I ain't liking it at all. Oh, in case you didn't know what it was for, it's for getting in there on them fuel lines and stuff. Pushing those little white tabs in on the fuel lines, or some of them are white. So you can get the fuel lines disconnected. And I mean, you can use it for anything. You can use it for electrical connectors. If you need some help pushing the little tab down to get the connector unplugged or whatever. I got in one of my other videos, you seen a blue handle pair with they're a little small. This part right here is small, little black pieces that come together, and they're blue handle with a spring in it. Those are okay. I kind of like them. I've used them already. And actually this, I ordered the exact same time as I did the other ones, and these took over a month to get here. I guess they came straight from China. I almost kind of wish they would have kept them. Anyway, I guess I could return them, but I ain't going to go through the hassle of that either. I'll figure out something to do about these handles. I don't know. We'll see. I'll let you know how they turn out. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that stuff. Just a few things. Like I said, that's what you get when you order stuff from Amazon. The picture is not always correct. You know, it is what it is. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.